Last year, I was struggling. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to kind of start my own business, but I didn't really know, what that looked like or what I kind of should create or whether my current ideas actually would be successful, and even if I wanted to do them. But I did know one thing, and that one thing that I knew was that I did not want to be doing what I was doing at that moment. I knew I wanted a change. And speaking to a lot of other people now, I noticed that anyone who wants to start their own business knows they want to start their own business, but they don't know what they want to start. They know that they want the lifestyle that starting a business gives them. And I feel like this is something that I struggled with a lot when I was starting my own business. As a matter of fact, a lot of you know this, but I didn't actually decide on making a video production company until about 1 week after I already resigned. But I knew that I wanted to do something. So in this vlog, what I want to talk about is how do you figure out what you want to do? How do you figure out what your business idea is, what your winning idea is? And I feel like there's two ways to go about this. The first one I'm going to just kind of brush over, and that's figuring out which idea is going to make you the most money. If you can figure that out, and you can figure out a business that's going to be 100% successful because you figured out something that everyone needs, then congratulations. You don't even need to watch this video. You can skip to the next one and yeah. But for those of you who want to make a lifelong business, a business that's about your passions, your love, a business where you wake up every morning and you're excited to go to work, how do you figure that out? Because especially for a lot of artists like me, it's hard to figure out whether your business or whether what you love is actually commercially viable. It's like you're not gonna make money by singing songs, so why would you start a business making songs? And I feel like this is where this important graph that I'm gonna show you, I don't have it. Give me a second. So this is the chart that I'm talking about. It's the Ikigai chart. It's from a book called Ikigai, and it's a really good book. I would suggest if you're looking into kind of figuring out what your purpose is and what you want to do and how to live a very healthy and fulfilling life, this is definitely a book I would definitely recommend. I'm reading it right now and it's absolutely wonderful. But this chart is within one of the first few pages, and it's so important in figuring out, what your purpose is. And especially if you're like me, where you think your business and your purpose in life should kind of go hand in hand, or at least kind of, interconnect a little bit, this is a really good chart. It asks you basically 4 questions: what you love, what you're good at, what you can be paid for, and what the world needs. And I feel like, especially if you're coming in with a very vague idea of what you want to do, this kind of narrows it down. So for example, for me, what I love is acting, movies, stories, making things, creating, and all that. What I'm good at is making videos and coming up with interesting ideas for videos. What I can be paid for is making videos, and what the world needs is, personally, I feel good story-based quality videos that kind of have a human touch. So that's what I built my business on, because I feel like those things are important for me. And I'm gonna upload the link to this, and I'll even link the book as well, because it is really good. But I feel like this is a good chart for figuring out what you want to do with your business. And whether that business succeeds or fails, or however your venture turns out, the idea is that you have a more narrow focus and you're able to kind of go in with a very kind of confident, you just feel more confident when you know exactly what you want and you believe in it. So this chart honestly really helps when coming up with business ideas. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. Ikigai, pretty awesome, really good book. And that's pretty much it for this vlog. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Yay! I'm gonna end this. Hey everybody, just before I finish this video, I just want to talk about this channel just for a second. So for those of you who've been watching this channel for quite a while, you know that this video is very different from typically what I create on this channel. And that's because I've decided that this channel is taking a completely new direction starting this year. What I've realized is when I took that massively long break where I wasn't posting videos was that the kind of videos that I was making before was tailored towards me in the past, whereas now I feel like, you know, like my ideas, my framework and everything has changed, and I want to make videos that help people who are kind of in my situation. So like artists who are trying to start their own business or trying to start their own venture or trying to, you know, live your life purpose. Like that's what this channel is now going to be about. I'm also going to be posting my like actual work here so that you can see, but we're going to be talking about like starting your own business, being a solopreneur, filmmaking, but not from the aspect of gear or anything like that, but rather focusing on the kind of intangible elements of filmmaking and just kind of, you know, personal development stuff. Like I love that. I feel like when you develop yourself personally, your business develops as well, and I think that's an important thing that people don't talk enough about that I kind of want to talk about. So that's what this channel is going to be, and I just wanted to give you a heads up because I'm going to try that. I don't know how well it's going to go, I'll be honest, but yeah, we're going to find out. So thank you for watching this longer video now because the other video technically ended and then I added a new video, but I appreciate it. Thank you so much for those of you who've been supporting me so far. Honestly, it really means a lot. This has been an incredible journey and I'm excited for what the new year has to offer. And with that, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you so much, and yeah, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. It's like 12 o'clock and I need to eat breakfast, so see you guys later.